When do you harvest garlic? For me, is when I see the first bottom leaves, like these ones here. First 1-2 leaves, once it turns brown and the top start to turn brown. So this is where I just harvested these ones here. If you can see it here, the first few leaves at the bottom, once it turns brown and the top ones starting to turn brown, that's when I harvest the garlic. I planted this in the fall, and this is July 1st that I'm harvesting this garlic. I got these ones to harvest. I got some further up there to harvest, and then try it out. Alright, I hope this helps somebody out there.